Come along with me while I make this cute little grapevine wreath for spring and summer. I had started out by laying out this greenery just to make sure I like the placement. I go in and I glue it all into the grapevine and get that nice and secure. Then I'm going to make a bow. This is going to have a total of 6 loops, 2 of each color. Started with that beautiful green lattice Ferris silk, and then this floral. Both of these are 2.5 inch. Then I'm going in with this 5/8 inch Ferris silk velvet in this hot pink. It's gorgeous. Then I'm going to cinch it up with a zip tie. That's how I prefer to hold my bows. Make it nice and tight, but make it loose on the back to slide that pipe cleaner in. Then I'm going to tighten it up really good and clip off that excess piece of plastic. And then twist that pipe cleaner around so it's nice and secure. So then I just kind of fluff out the loops, kind of get them in the direction I want, and attach it to the grapevine. I go in on the back and make it nice and tight, clip off the excess and stick it back into the grapevine. Then I go in and dovetail the ribbon ends and curl the ends of the ones I want to curl. And I add just a little bit of glue behind this bow so I don't want the position to shift. And now I'm just filling in some greenery around that bow, adding a little length behind the tails, and just, kind of elevating that bow up off of the design. I'm going to go around and add in some more filler greeneries, just adding different textures and dimensions to this design. This is more of a muted kind of frosted greenery here. So this just pulls different colors and adds different textures to this design so that it really has a lot of dimension. I always want to make sure I add something back behind my bow too. It helps to elevate the bow off the design as well. So I'm just going to continue filling those in all around. So here I am going in and adding these beautiful pink peonies. I just kind of evenly place them around the design, just kind of evenly placed. I'm not always that particular, but I kind of like that idea for this one. Now I'm adding these beautiful ranunculus flowers just to kind of soften the color and balance everything out. And I go in with this pink starflower bush. And this is such a pretty little filler. And again, this is just pulling colors. This is a little bit more of a lighter pink. So we're just working with, playing with the color variations in the design. Here I'm doing the white mini starflower. Again, this is just softening up the design, adding different colors and textures. And this really adds a lot of dimension. And it makes everything very, very balanced. I'm always playing with the loops and fluffing those and maneuvering the loops around. So I just do that until I like it. Here I'm adding this kind of light muted green filler. Again, we're pulling color, we're playing with texture. And the idea is to just try and pull out all the different colors and make it very balanced. And we don't want it to be too bright or bold. So these more muted colors really help to balance that out and give it a very nice overall appearance. So I just keep adding these in wherever my eye sees that something is needed. And so that's kind of the idea there. So here I'm just adding these berries. This is a great way to add a little color and another texture into the design. I really think they complemented this very well and pulled it all together. And they're super cute, y'all. So yeah, that is this wreath. I hope you enjoyed this. And here is the finished product. And this wreath is available currently in my Etsy shop. It is Little Things by Mandy.etsy.com. And if you like what you see here, please give me a like and a follow and share.